First of all, take out your English reading book and look at the page number 9. When you see one letter E, it sound E. And when you see two letter E together, it sound E. So now let's learn E sound words. B, E, B, S, E, C, F, E, Fee, F, E, free, T, E, tree, V, E, P, weep, K, E, P, keep, J, E, P, cheap, D, E, P, deep, S, H, E, P, ship, B, C, fee, free, tree, weep, keep, jeep, deep, sheep. There are some E sound words. Okay, B and E means 2E. ठीक है, तो डबल ई बी और उसके साथ हमारे जो ये डबल ई आएगा तो इसकी साउंड आएगी, डबल ई की साउंड आएगी हमारी ई. तो ये रीड होगा हमारा ब ई बी. ओके, नाउ वी रीड some more words with the help of props. You have to look. There is spelling of ship. S H E P, ship. S H E P, ship. It's a picture of ship also. Okay, ship, and there is a picture of ship. Okay, it's a ship. It's a double E sound words. Next one is B. B double E, and it's a picture of bee. B means B double E.